The Nexus 5 is one of the best smartphones out there, and at $350, it's a real steal. I'm Dan Graziano, and I'm going to share with you some tips that will make you a Nexus 5 All-Star. Google really emphasized camera performance with the Nexus 5. It features an 8-megapixel rear camera with optical image stabilization. Early performance was shaky, but an update to Android 4.42 fixed most of these problems, so be sure you're running the latest version of Android. But did you know there's also a new feature that promises even better looking pictures? While in the camera app, click the circle icon next to the shutter and select HDR+. This feature promises to deliver more vivid photos during the day and sharper ones at night. You can actually take photos by tapping either the volume up or volume down button, or simply using the shutter icon. On most devices, widgets are found in the app drawer, but with the Nexus 5 they can be added with a long press on the home screen. To enable widgets on your phone's lock screen, go to Settings, enter Security, and select Enable Widgets. Make sure you never miss a notification by enabling the phone's RGB notification light. This can be done by going to Settings, selecting Display, and choosing Pulse Notification Light. The light can then be customized with an app like LightFlow, which is available in the Play Store. Google recently added SMS support to Hangouts and made it the default messaging app in Android 4.4. However, you can still download an alternative app from Google Play. Once you've done so, enter Settings, click More, select the default SMS option, and choose the app you would like to use. The Nexus 5 is a completely revamped dialer. The top search bar can be used not only to search for contacts, but also local businesses. For example, typing in pizza will reveal the numbers for nearby pizzerias. The phone also includes an advanced caller ID feature that will display the names of people and businesses that aren't in your contacts. If for some reason you aren't interested in these features, they can be disabled by clicking the three-dot icon in the lower right-hand corner of the phone app, selecting Settings, and clicking either the caller ID or Nearby Places option. And there you have it. You are now a Nexus 5 All-Star. Like always, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter with questions, comments, or to share some of your own tips. I'm Dan Graziano for CNET. Thanks for watching.